Hello tribe, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the garden. It's harvest day. I'm going to harvest peppers and then some of the jamanjama over there. So come along with me. So this is the country jamanjama, also known as the garden huckleberry. The scientific name is Solanum scabrum. The common name for it is black nightshade. We cultivate this for the leaves. The leaves are edible and the berries are not edible. It takes about 5 weeks from transplanting for the first harvest to take place, whereby the first cutting is taken directly from well below the middle of the stem or roughly from the fourth leaf, starting from the base. This allows new side shoots to develop. Harvesting takes place with every 7 to 14 day intervals for an average of 3 to 4 times per plant. Commercial farmers can harvest up to 10 times and occasionally more because they do apply fertilizers. If you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking to watch. I do appreciate you giving my channel a try. I hope you find some value and I hope you do consider subscribing. Please, as you're watching, if the information I share adds any value to you or the video motivates you, please do not forget to click on that thumbs up button. It's important. Thank you so much for helping this little channel grow, for helping me spread my message of encouraging people to grow a garden with a greater audience. I strongly believe that growing a garden is growing health. Please help me grow by sharing the video, telling someone about my channel. I do appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. So it's been about 8 or 9 weeks since I sowed the seeds of this vegetable. I sowed the seeds on September the 28th and I'm harvesting today on the 3rd of December. This is like the second harvest, but the first since I transplanted. So it really works. It was an experiment that I was trying to see if I could cultivate a second round of this vegetable in the fall and harvest before we get our first frost date in my zone 9A garden. And I think I recorded success. If this is all I have for this fall 2021 planting season, I think it was successful. So guys, if you are in zone 9, zone 10, you can definitely cultivate the garden huckleberry in the fall, somewhere around the end of September, the middle to the end of September. You can throw the seeds. You will have enough harvest before we get any frosts out here in the USA. Look at all the peppers. Just look at the vibrant colors. Vibrant yellow, vibrant red. I've never had these many peppers in December. Today is December the 3rd, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Let's harvest. If you're sensitive to hot peppers, please wear a pair of gloves. Some of us have been doing this for such a long time. It's like we are immune to the heat. So yeah, the best practice will be to wear a pair of gloves so you don't end up touching sensitive areas when harvesting the peppers. I think at this point it's safe to say that I'm obsessed with peppers. I don't know. I am obsessed with peppers. I can't stop growing them. Every season I say I will not plant as much peppers, but I end up planting a whole lot of them every time. But the next year in the spring of 2022, I know for sure that I will not plant habaneros. I will only plant these Cameroon peppers, these peppers from Africa, because the flavors, guys, the flavor, you can smell it from a mile. So this is like the real deal. I've been saving some seeds. If you are a member of the tribe and you want some seeds of these amazing peppers, let me know. I am working on something and I will offer a lot of seeds for sale very soon. So stay tuned, stay connected. You will be the first to know when I am offering the seeds for sale. Thank you. And we are done. Guys, look at the harvest. Look at how fresh the njama njama is. So like I said, we cultivate this vegetable for the leaves, and what the lady is doing right now is picking the vegetables. That's how we refer to it, which is just separating the leaves from the hard stems and then removing any extra foreign objects. So we just lightly steam the vegetable and then add a little bit of palm oil, and then we eat with fufu. And then look at all the peppers as well. I'm telling you, the colors give me life. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video encourages you to grow a garden. It's not that difficult, guys. Grow a garden. When you grow a garden, you grow health. Thank you, and until next time, bye bye.